Hey, how's it going?
How's it going? All right, here's everything.
All right.
I got a donut in the back of the trunk, man. But I'm gonna ask you a question, man. Do you think I can still use this room, or is this room no good? Because see, what happened was a manhole cover thing was loose, and I ran right inside of it, and that's what caused
Yeah,
it.
you
And I
messed
think
up
it
the
got
front
messed
rim
up
too.
right
You
there.
hit both of them. That one messed up too.
Say it again.
That you hit when you hit it, you hit that one too. Look at that one
Yeah,
bent too. Yeah, and then you
exactly.
hit this one in the two pot spots. Um,
I mean, I don't have no problem replacing the tire. I just ain't got time no for rim. So I was just curious. Like, what do you think? I don't know how that works yet.
sometimes they could hit the rims back in place. I've done that before with steel rims. Now your rims look aluminum. Yeah, so that's a little bit different. With a steel rim, I have hit them back in place. So maybe a tire shop can hit them and hit it back in place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
So yeah, so you can ask them. I would ask the tire shop, like, hey, can you take care of this for me?
All right. Let me move this out the way for you because the donut is right on inside here. So hold on. Do you have? I don't know if the donut needs air. Can you put air in it? Do you
I
have?
could put air in it instead. It might hold air. You might just knock the air out the thing.
Oh.
That's what I was thinking. I could put air. In the donut.
Well, this thing. I don't
Oh
know.
man, yeah, you got a lot of stuff right there. Uh, that one, it might hold air. I don't know.
No, I think that thing dead. Man. I hope no, because it went out. It went out. I mean, I don't know how tire work. Usually when they do that, does that usually mean it's dead?
No, because you hit the front one. Look, it's bent, and that one to go down. But you hit this one in such a way that it went down. I mean, it's up to you. You got the wheel lock for this car?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Yeah. I mean, you could just put the donut on, man. Cause if you want, I could try to put air in it, and if it gets you to where you want to go,
No. You know what? Put the
yeah.
donut in there because see, if that's the case, you know what I'm saying. I take it to a tire shop
And
and
you
they
could
could put
drop it off or something, and they could
exactly,
fix it, maybe. Yeah.
exactly.
And
So,
at least tell you if they can fix it or not. So
so
yeah,
I
let's
should.
move all that stuff out, and
Yeah.
let me get the key.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Let me get you
Yup,
the
and then I
key.
get my tools. All right, thank you.
There you go.
So, need a smaller piece. see
Alright.
if we could get it from here.
Sorry about that, man. There's a lot of stuff in here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's I be trying to tell some people, you know, when this happens, it's good to have the stuff out the way. Especially when it's cold, you know.
Yeah.
Especially if you gotta do it yourself. You don't wanna be out here unloading and gotta load back up, you know.
Yeah. That's all you need?
That's it. I just gotta put this back on. And I don't know where you're gonna put that tire. That tire gotta go somewhere. Oh. Okay.
Do you think there's enough air in that thing?
Well, we don't know yet. We about to check right now. As soon as I get it tight, we're gonna put the weight of the car on there.
Okay.
And we'll know from that, you know.